lightning of a million screams, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild.
Hey, good morning. I don't want to go that high, do I? Yes, 1, 2, 3. All right. Good morning, good morning. All right, get that shot. See what happens. Good morning, Ravine. Good morning. Okay. I think I'm ready. I don't know. Every time I think I'm ready, I'm not ready. Tell you what, just reducing it down to the 2 bots has made me a lot happier. Yeah, there's no economic events per se, other than there's a couple of Fed speakers. I'm not sure why I'm not picking it up, but I added a new little thing this weekend for trades. And right now it's just going to show Sim TCS. But it's kind of cool little feature. Anyway, I'll keep the 15-minute going out. Actually, what I'll do is I'll do this. There we go. Because it really doesn't matter per se right now. These are the 15-minute bars, so we'll just let that play out. All right. I think I have everything set up. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. There we go. Okay. All right, I got the SPY up now. I got the daily up. Yes. We came up a lot higher than I wanted to. Let me get the so just means that who knows where we're going. I don't know what we're doing. We've just been consolidating here, but the candles are getting bigger and bigger, it seems like. Here, I'll show you. Here's ES. Let me get NQ lined up. Maybe not for NQ. They look pretty close. All right. I just learned my lesson. All right. So here's NQ daily. We came up and closed out that daily gap. And then we've come down. We did not take out this low here from November, that's what I was anticipating. Big engulfing candle on Friday. So today, so far, we just got to move back. I think a move back above yesterday's or Friday's high would probably be a buy indication. So that's kind of what I'm going to go with. And then if we could just continue to come down, then we come down and we're going to go for some targets that I think we had at one time on ES, but now they're gone. So we'll see. But you can see on ES here, it seems like these candles here are bigger than all of these candles, right? All of December's. So volatility is obviously increasing. So actually, we'll leave that alone. I need to be in bot suite. Okay, for the open bot suite. Oops, I need my little let's say prop summary, and I put a couple. Oh no, I should be good there. Bot suite should be good, but MrFibs won't be. How much time do I got left? All right, 6 more minutes. So what do I have here? 25 and 26. All right, so 25 and 26 are set up. And then everything else should be the same. At least that's what I'm going to tell myself. Okie dokie. There we go. All right, so I'm playing the pre 2 minute. And for reference, no, that's TCS. Let's see, bot suite. For reference, so far this month, the pre 2 minute high low has produced 275 points. So that's something. I got a new little deal I'm playing with. And this will show, like, again, more trading. But here's a daily calendar for NinjaTrader. And so here's Sim TCS. So this is the TCS that I use my trade copier off of. And these are the points, actual points that I got from TCS. Now TCS is up 375. I didn't take 2 contracts here. I only took 1. I lost a couple of deals. I lost a couple of points this day because I traded and it didn't trade because it's 10-0 or something like that, or I don't know, however many, 7-0. And I lost a couple on this date here, right here, this date. So, and I could go in there. If I click on that, here's my all the trades. So the trades I lost were down here. The trades it won were up here. There you go. It's kind of cool. I really like this. So, and this is all automatic. I don't have to do anything. So that's what I like, is it's all automatic from NinjaTrader. So I like it. Yeah, close that. Anyway, there I am. Okay, we're still not there in our 2-minute bar yet. 15-minute chart real quick. Okay, so 2-minute, we are above CPR. CPR is rather large. How large? Pretty large. Bottom control is bottom control, so 250 points. Today's daily pivot is 24,856. So here's the London low and London high, and we're kind of fussing around with this. The question will be is, do we come up here and take this guy out? Which is also Friday's high up here at 222. So those would be the targets I'm looking for. Yeah, we'll see. See how it does. Don't know. I forgot to put out 60 minutes. Put a line out. So we got the high way up there at 346.50 and a swing low now at around, low would be 968.50. So I'll look to see if we take any one of those or both of them out. So what are we looking for? The liquidity rush there at that low, that swing low. And 968.50. And if we take that out and then pop back up, that's what I'll be looking for the long. Okay, 15 minutes. All right. Okay, so we're in the window right now. We got 30 seconds, so it'll be based on this candle. And let's see, make sure everything is on. Bot suite, yep. All right. And I am playing on my PA, I'm playing NQ, not MNQ. So that'll be a little bit of a switch up for me today. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Looks like it might take the long first. Oh, didn't take it. Shit. Well, would have been a nice one. Would have gotten my 20 points, that's for sure. Well, so much for that one. Damn it. Would have been 20 and 40, been $1,200. 20 and 30, been 1,000. All right, we're coming down to top control there at 982. So I'll turn that off because I don't know what the hell's going on with it. And what was I looking for? That 956 area. We just hit it. We just swept it. So let's see if we, that would have been a great entry for a long, damn it. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so this is going way too fast because my My system did not catch up with that. Wow. All right, sitting on my hands. Would have been a good long there off that 956. I'm sorry, 965. I keep saying 956, but it's actually 9. Well, either way, we came down to it. Shit. All right, if we jump back above any of the 20s, the 20 moving average or the 21 EMA, then I will take that long. Got a minute 43 left for the 5 minute. Yep, that swing low was a good one to take. 967. 968.50. There we go. Coming up on the 21 EMA. I'm going to try long right there. We get back above it. Wasn't quick enough to get out. I'll try to, oh, fucker. Try it again. Oh, come on. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Gonna have to just wait. My account must not have triggered or something. Okay, market is down 127. Yeah. So why didn't I do this? A little more conservative. I got to get a close above that 20 EMA. I need to stick with my game plan. Get a close above the 21 EMA. Oh, very red. I mean, we haven't really put Yeah, this might be a bounce point here. Well, let's see. Got to get a close above that 21 EMA there, right here. We have the 1 minute weighted we're trying to get above, which is right at 84. Getting a nice little 15-minute reversal. See if we can hold on. Okay, TCS took a trade. No. Oh, wrong one. No, doesn't look like it. Yep, there you go. $66. That's a big one. Oh, come on, damn you. Couldn't quite get up there fast enough. There you go. All right, there's one off. And I'm up 950, so I'm going to go ahead and put my stop up here because I would be happy with $1,000 there. But if we rip on up, I'll take the 55. I'll take that right there. All right, got 996 out of it. Not bad. We're at VWAP. Let me get out of here. Come on, push up there. See if we can get a big push up. Let me go to, well, let's see how this plays out. He might be done. Yep. Ah, you fucker. I'll just watch that. There you go. All right, so he's locked out. 83 points. Son of a gun. He did it again. All right. I'll go to Mr. Fibs now. Screen. And there's the okay, maybe I need to do a little work on that. He should have gotten two 2 2 contracts for 83 points roughly. 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 2 I'm close. This is the first time I got to see it live running, so I'm actually okay with that. We'll see if it comes back. All right. I'm gonna just be patient here. Oh, don't tell me. Okay, so my PA won't get taken out. I can't take it out. It's locked in trading. I can just hope for a big move up. Can't close it. It won't close. Fuckers. Okay, I don't know why it's showing that it's still open, but it's not. I'll leave that open. Thing I just hate about Rhythmic, man. So connections, I'm going to disconnect real quick and then try to connect back up. Because under Rhythmic, doesn't show that I'm open, it shows I'm closed. So there we go. Okay. All right, we're above VWAP. We got above the 20, so that was all good. Let's see. Okay. See what happens. Good rip up. I need to move back down here now, ideally. Okay, we're staying above VWAP. Get back above the opening range high. 13 minutes left on this 15-minute. VWAP would have been a good entry. See if we can get back up here to midnight open, which is at 187. There we go. Wow. Look at the way they just took everybody out there. Come on, get up there, rip up there. Nope. Yeah, that was just a rip up. Come on, one time. Let's get up there to midnight high. Midnight open, I mean. Oh, you're not seeing that trade, are you? Damn it. Okay. Everything's going backwards and it shouldn't be. I mean, I just won 30 points. What the hell? Rhythmic. I hate fucking rhythmic. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Here, let me get back to so I literally just won, I don't know, 20 and 30 points, 50 points, and here I'm negative, which is ridiculous. Hmm. All right, back down to opening range high. Came up to midnight open and then went down below it. Or we hit it and rejected, I should say. All right, 9 minutes left on this 15. Back down to VWAP. Did not take out the London high. Which is right around 215. Let's see. Oh no, I can just go back to Mr. Fibs. So that one's good. Okay, I'll try that. Okay, what did we do? We just came up so far. We didn't have, let's see, any gap fills or anything. Nope. We just came up to where we kind of hung out for a little while around 3 to 4 this morning. We just coming back down to a gap fill, coming back down to the 50 or to the 20, yeah, the 50 EMA on the 2-minute. Right there, which is also the 25-minute 20 EMA. I think if we close below that, then we got something. We got the short that Ravine's looking for. Right now, SPY's like right in the middle of pre-market high, pre-market low. So I'm going to just wait. Starting to get a backache. I've been up since frickin' 1 o'clock this morning. There we go. All right. Let's just play it, see how it plays out. Coming up on the 20 EMA, see if we get a bounce up. If we do, depending on how this candle, which has got a minute 20 left, so a long time, depending on how this one closes, it'll dictate, oops, how I play. Yeah. Back above VWAP. I'd like to see a close. I'll wait for this close. And then I'll take, should I take 20 and 40? Above that candle. Tell you what, I'm just going to do a 20. How's that? Okay, we're in a sell gap. That sell gap only goes up to 161. See what happens there. Let's see. 15 minutes, got 3 minutes left, kind of a red doji looking. So see if it can pull itself back up. Nope, got taken out. Fuck. 'Cause 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 'c Okay, so 5 minutes looking a little bearish. Still has 2 minutes left. Okay. So I didn't get the play that I wanted to get, which is we moved back, ticked out the 20 EMA on the 5 minute, went below it, and then moved up. So I'm going to try one more time, see if it'll work. See if I can get up to 60 there. So what I'm looking for is I like to move down and then the move up. And then normally I would take it above here. But we're not getting anywhere. It's like, fuck, come on. About as big a stop as I can go. Okay, so the 15 minutes going to close up red, 15-minute candle. So I'm going to need to get a push up. And then a 15-minute low is about 91. 92.25. 92.25. Yeah, there we go.
Inside bar, entry.
Okay, I did not take that. What's going on with my bot suite? I didn't even do anything. I didn't modify it, didn't change it. Let's see. We're just going back and forth. We're not doing anything. I got a sell gap right in here. .38 ATR on the 2 minute. You fucker. I had the right direction every time, but I just couldn't sit through it. My stop should have been down here at 91, I guess. Taking out 92 would be a short. Something like that. Still favoring the longs. Nine minutes left on the 15. See if we can bust up above that prior high wick. I'd like a move back down to the opening range high. I don't think I'm going to get it. Come on back down. There's a buy gap right at 159. Nope. Damn you. 147. If we come up here and take out London high at 215, We got Friday's high at 25,222. You know, I was happy with all my trades. I went long, 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 and got stop, stop, stop. I mean, not happy about the stops. Hmm. See if we can blaze on up here. Oh, oops. Let's go. If we get up to 22, I probably would take that. Come on, get up there. Ah, damn it. There's a chance we come back down. Yep. Maybe all the way down. Motherfucker. As far as I'll go. Gosh damn it. Let's go. Come on. Get up there. Get above 200 again. Yeah. Minute 46. We're gonna have to do something. If I don't get green here, I got to get out because we're gonna get a new 15-minute candle. One time. Nope. Last minute. It's already put a 100-point candle in on the 15, so I would expect a little retracement. The big candle. Hey, fucker. Look at that. All right, new 15. Look at that shit. In the right trade, just couldn't stay in. Story of my life. Doing exactly where I wanted. That was exactly my target right there. Nice. Come on. Got a bunch of sell gaps up here right above us up to 252. Doesn't mean much. We could blow right through them. SPY went out and took out pre-market high and Friday's high. I need a move back down. Yeah, preferably just like the one we got at 10 o'clock. Like repeat, Michael. Pete, repeat. All right, came back to Friday's high, 221. See if that looks like it's going to hold. I already missed the 10. Damn it. I'm trying to stop from taking out or playing the not breakouts, but buying at the top. I prefer to buy, you know, closer to the EMA is what I would like to do. Three high lows that had 20. I'm going to have to go back and find out why that thing's not working. Here we go. Son of a gun. All right. Yep, just waiting for a pullback. Not much to do. See, what time was that? Time 10:12. So 7:12. Could have bought those at 70. Okay. Watching the 693 calls, just looking for a pullback. ATR's coming down a little bit. We're at 33. Coming back to retest yesterday's or Friday's high. Come on. Coming down to the 21 EMA. I would consider that. I'll play that just like I play the 20 EMA. Okay, I need to come back at least down here. I don't know, 200. That was a potential. We had a buy gap right at 197. We got 4 minutes left on this 15. It's looking a little bearish. Four minutes left. SPY's come down. $693 calls. We're now only up 20 something points. Why there? We already hit there. Don't know. All right, we came down, hit that 21 EMA. Now I'd like to see a bounce up, but man, I do not like that 15-minute candle here. Not looking so pretty. We almost, let me see. Did we sweep that? No, we didn't. We didn't come up to that high I was looking for, 345. $346.50. 346.50. 46.50. There we go. SPY's coming down. What is that? Oh, 21. All right. Okay, we got a minute 50 left on the 15, so I'm going to just sit on my hands here. I need to do a little bit of work on this one too. So a minute left on the 15. That low right now is 165. We did put in a close below the 21 EMA. My normal long would be above 199 right here. But because of that 15-minute, I don't know. In fact, I would be thinking more of a short at 165. All right, and there's your long. See if I can get it. There you go. That was a good trade. Decent, decent. Okay. Ooh. Boy, just reversing that move back up. Straight up. Making those short guys pay. Come on, get up there, baby. Nope. Got some. Got a little bit. But I was happy with that. $222. That's the Friday's high. Nice bullish green 2-minute candle there. 15 minutes looking good. I could probably almost take 235 there. Let's see how we play here. Come on down. Let's retest 222. I'm going to try one right there. Oh, come on. All we did was wick that, huh? Okay, I'm going to close up my stop here. Come on, give me something. Give me a little. Give me 20. Nope. Wouldn't mind coming back and testing 222 to go long. But the 15 minutes might have other plans. It might just go straight on up. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Get down to 222. Come on. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Let's try for right here. Come on, one more time. Get up there. You can do it. There we go. That's good enough. All right, slowly whittling it down. Coming up to IB 254. How do we feel about IB today? Is it worth 10 points? I don't think so. So 54, 64. Come on. Let's go. Come on. See if we can get another move back above IB. Come on. Let's go one time. I'm going to bring my stop up really close. Sucker, not that close. Come on. Give me 75. Let's go. Let's go. 57, 75. That'd be 20. There we go. Almost there. Oh, sweep it. There you go. All right. It's a good out. All right. Almost there. Fighting back. Probably close enough. I'm okay with where I'm at, actually. So TCS, what did you do today? All right, so TCS, wow, 93 points. Yep, 93 points. Another winner chicken fucking dinner. Wow, 1 win, 0 losses. This guy is on a tear. My new little calendar's not updating, because otherwise I would show that to you. I mean, it's updating, but it doesn't have today's information. I'm not sure why. So it has to do with the way the files close and stuff like that. But at any rate, here's a picture of what it's done this month. And it is up to 468 points in trading in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Wow. 8-0. 8 wins, no losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning days. Pretty incredible. Not a bad play. All right. My bot suite, I got to figure out what the heck's going on. I don't know. I mean, there's nothing really wrong with it. It did record something on pre-high low. So in the pre-high low, it should have taken this short and gotten 20 and 30. So it should have gotten 50. 20 for sure. Maybe then came back and got stopped out of break even. That's a possibility. So until I replay, I'll replay later today and for one, get it working, and two, to find out what it did. But I'm just going to go with 20 points. The inside play 5 minutes, I'm actually going to leave it off for a while. I mean, it has done nothing but lose. So, I mean, it is down for the month 60 points. 15 minutes actually at break even, but the pre-high low is up 275. And today, if I added another 20 points to it, minus 60, because I'll keep recording, even though I might not be trading it. Right now it's up 175. So, but when I look at the monthly and say, wow, we're up 295 points on the pre-high low, I'm going to play the pre-high low every day. And if it would have taken today, I would have made 400 to $1,000. So I'm not too happy about that. So I'll need to figure out why it's not working and get that one working. But it's still a good system. And that's why I have on-off buttons. So you don't have to play the 5 minute, right? While it's not doing very well, I'll wait for it to start kicking some winnings up. So that's where I'm at. And I'm finally positive on my trading. The bot suite, I don't know what happened here because I should have been up. I did some wins. I had like 50, 60 point winners, and yet I lost. So I don't know if an account got stuck and I wasn't watching my positions. So, oh well, it is what it is. All right, Michael, me and you are the only ones in here, so I'll talk with you in a few minutes if you're available. All right, ciao, see ya. Let's do.